Hey guys, I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how you can change your Pldt Wi-Fi password, and this is especially for those who have their Pldt newly installed and it's the first time you are trying to connect to your Wi-Fi. So immediately after connecting to your Wi-Fi, you want to change your password. So here's how you do it using a Google Chrome. This is the Google Chrome here, open, ready. Just type in the URL 192.168.1.1. And if you happen to get this error, all you need to do is tap on Advanced over here. And right down below it says proceed to 192.168.1.1 and just click on that. And there we go. So Pldt username, default username and password is gonna be admin, and password is 1234. Okay, so it says initial login on this account, you must modify account password, SSID name and authentication password. Click OK. So we are in this page where it says account management, starting with the web page. So the web page username admin and the old password, which is 1234, and create a new password. So let's go about 9876543221. So confirm that, 9876543221. Another option here, we have the 2.4G SSID1. So you might either want to use anything, any name, any SSID name. So let's say SSID is, see, Dragon. Okay. So Dragon. So password I want to put in, okay, my birthday. So let's say password. Okay, and confirm the password. Birthday 29 and SSID name for the 5G SSID. So I'll choose balls. So Dragon Balls. And I put in a password, maybe birthday 11/22. Birthday 11/22. And click apply. So just remember the password for the 2.4G and the 5G, so it's usually different. Okay, click that, apply, and access successful. All you gotta do is click back. Now to log in back to the admin page is using the admin username, and the password is 7654321. Okay, click login. And boom, here we go, we've just logged in. So we have the password and the SSID 2.4G and 5G. We're gonna locate that over here, security. So here we go with the basic, and click advanced, and there we have the Dragon SSID and the security password, birthday 29, and then next to that is the 5G advanced. Now it says balls and the password, that's the password over there. I'm gonna change that later also, but for now, so that's how you do it. That's how you change your password.